Dear students, today we are going for a quick revision on our topic numbers. Okay, so we finished our chapter. Next day we are having an examination, isn't it? Today I am just explaining what are the important concepts we learned in this chapter. Okay, so if you are having any difficulty on any concept, you can watch the videos that I shared on each classes. Okay, so let's we can start. What first thing we studied in this chapter is about Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, Hindu Arabic numeral. So what is Hindu Arabic numeral? Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, Hindu Arabic numerals. So what is Hindu Arabic numerals? It is actually our numbers 0 to 9. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 to 9, that numbers is called what? Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, so the next thing we learned about the 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit number also you know that which is the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers. Okay, 4-digit numbers you already learned. Okay, 4-digit smallest 4-digit number is what? Smallest one. Smallest 4-digit number is what? 1000. This is the smallest 4-digit. In that time, what is the largest 4-digit number? Largest 4-digit number is what? In the place of these numbers, if it is all become 9, this become what? The largest 4-digit number. So how we are getting smallest 5-digit number? Yes, it is getting by the largest digit number, largest 4-digit number plus 1. We are getting what? Smallest 5-digit number. That means the largest 4-digit number is what? 9. Plus 1, we are getting what? Smallest 5-digit number. Okay, that means 10000. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit number. How it is called? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is what? 10,000. Okay, this is the smallest 5-digit number. Then we learned about place value and face value. You see, place value and face value is one of the most important concepts we learned in this chapter, that is place value and face value. Place value means what? Place value, it is actually depends upon the place of a digit. This depends upon the place of a digit. In that time, what is face value means? Face value, it is actually the digit itself. Okay, face value is the digit itself, but the place value depends upon the place of a digit. We can take an example. In the case of a number, for example 2, 4, 6, 1. The place value of this digit is what? This is 6. Okay, place value of the number 6. It is what? Once it is on tens place. So place value of this digit is what? 60. In that time, face value of this digit is what? The digit itself, that is what? 6. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, just take another example. The place value of 4 in this number is what? 1, 10, 100. That means 400. Okay, here 400 is the place value of the digit 4, but in the case of face value, it is what? Simply 4. So that is the difference between the place value and face value. And last thing or final thing, we already know what is how can we write numbers in ascending and descending order, isn't it? That is also important thing, ascending and descending order. Okay, so ascending order means increasing order, small to big. Descending means what? Decreasing order. But that means what? From big to small. Okay, so that's also we learned. And also we learned how to round off the numbers, rounding of numbers. Okay, rounding we need nearest to 10, nearest to 100, isn't it? How can we round the numbers nearest to 10, 100, also nearest to thousands? Okay, this one we learned as new, isn't it? Nearest to 1000. That is also very important thing, rounding of numbers. We must know what is rounding. Rounding is actually taking the approximation of something. This is saying approximate value, that is called a rounding numbers. We can round off numbers nearest to 10, hundreds, and also to the 1000 places. Okay, so these are the important things we learned in this chapter numbers. Okay, so what you have to do it is just to go through this all the content. Okay, and if you are having any difficulty, so what you have to do it is watch the videos that I shared on each concept or each content. And again, if you are feeling difficulty in any part of this topic, you can message me on WhatsApp, or you can either call me. Okay, So the rest of things we can discuss in the WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.